How to manage who can see your email on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage who can see your email on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and click the settings icon here in the top corner, and now just go down. Here you will find the account settings. Click on it and click personal information, and then click contact info and select your email, and then just here you can manage who can see your email. Click on it and change it to anything you want, to public or only your friends, and just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.